Welcome children in bio class. Children, you have to study the molecules required for protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the translation process. The coded information coming from originally DNA contained in messenger RNA programs ribosomes for the synthesis of protein molecules. A particular sequence of nucleotides present in messenger RNA is translated into a particular amino acid sequence, and thus a polypeptide chain is formed. So, for the formation of molecules of proteins, what are the various molecules which are required? So, first is DNA, second is different kinds of RNA, that is messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. Third is ribosomes and enzymes, and fourth amino acids. So these are the things which are required for protein synthesis. In that, DNA molecule is present in the nucleus of the cell. DNA is a double helical molecule. It determines the kinds of proteins have to synthesize. The protein synthesis is initiated, guided, and regulated by DNA molecule. Next is different kinds of RNA. There are three kinds of RNA. First is messenger RNA, second is transfer RNA, and third is ribosomal RNA. All these three different types of RNA play important role in the synthesis of protein. Messenger RNA is a single-stranded molecule that carries the coded information for protein synthesis from DNA to the cytoplasm. The information of the synthesis of protein has stored in the messenger RNA in the form of sequence of nucleotides. The nucleotides present in a linear order. Messenger RNA is formed under the influence of enzyme RNA polymerase. Now next is transfer RNA. Transfer RNA transports activated amino acid from amino acid pool to the ribosomes. Ribosome is the site of the protein synthesis. Next is ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA along with specific protein form the structure of ribosomes, which are the site of protein synthesis. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis and are found in the cytoplasm. Ribosomes are present in two subunits, larger subunits and smaller subunits. The larger one is about twice the size of the smaller one, and both subunits contain number of protein molecules and ribosomal RNA. Next is amino acids. Amino acids are the building block of polypeptide chain or proteins. Amino acids are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. and where they are found, that is amino acid pool. So they are readily available in amino acid pool for the synthesis of protein. So children, you studied there are 4 molecules: DNA, different kinds of RNA, ribosomes, and enzymes and amino acids are required for the synthesis of proteins.